Alright, yo, before we get into the trade recap, rate this tough ass fit. You already know. Alright, trade recap. So being fully transparent, I did take this trade. It wasn't live, it was a tape trade, it was a tape read, because first of all, I didn't have time to trade 9:30 open. I'm busy, I had to go to school and whatnot. I had like some group assignment that we were working on, so I couldn't really trade 9:30. But here's the thing, here's the kicker. I had some time before, like on my way to school, to kind of like look at the markets. And what I did notice is that we kind of took out this high right here. Now, okay, wait, let me show you something real quick. Before I start, you have to go into the kill zones. So before market open, you kind of want to see what happens before you trade, like before you traded. So before I traded, what I noticed is, okay, we took out this London high, and then we took out this London low, and this would have been a nice trade actually. We took out the London high, and we moved down, we took out the low, and then we moved back up. So this would have been a nice trade if it was in the proper time range. But yeah, in itself, what I was thinking is that, okay, we were gonna take out this high, and maybe we're gonna short to this Asian low, and then during New York we would kind of push up, right? So let me just take off this indicator, and let me tell you exactly. So I didn't only trade off of this buy side liquidity sweep and then this change in state delivery. Also, if you hop onto the 1 hour, what we would notice is that there was this huge hourly fair value gap, and we were really like respecting the consequent encroachment of it. So if I mark out the consequent encroachment of it, oops, we are really respecting it. We kind of just like wick through. And also, if we hop onto the 3 minutes, kind of on this left hand side, this was kind of less of like a something I really looked towards. But I'm not gonna mark out the whole wick, but let's say like over here, from the bottom wick to the top of the body, or to the end of the body, we kind of have this order block on the 3 minutes that we were kind of respecting, and we were moving off of. But in itself, I just thought that New York open would be longing, so I kind of just waited. So if I hop onto the 1 minute, I was just waiting to see what would happen after the buy side liquidity sweep, and whether or not the markets would kind of go down to where I thought it was. And basically, literally, as soon as we swept the markets, we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish candles that led to a change in state and delivery. And then like literally right after that, just a retracement into that change in state and delivery. And we respected it a little. So technically, I would have caught it maybe around here when I started to see it wick down. This trade right here, it's kind of like a lower probability. So that's what, again, I didn't trade this live. I was just kind of trying to see what would happen. What would have made this a really high probability is that if we were to have an SMT, that would have been like on the dot, like I would have taken it live. But okay, we took out this low right here, and this is an Asian low, Asian slash low, and plus this was like a 15-minute draw on liquidity. So this is kind of putting me to think, okay, we took it out, most likely we're gonna see long. And right around here-ish, I think it was like these candles, I kind of thought we would have a momentarily short, like we would take out these lows and then kind of push up. But somebody on my Discord server, my free server, his name is Simon, shout out to Simon, he kind of pointed out that, okay, maybe we're not going to go short yet, but we're going to continue going long. We're probably going to take out a higher time frame liquidity, and it turned out to be, or it looks like it was, this like New York session highs, like these New York AM highs. He said we were going to take those out and then form an SMT, which I think I didn't check, but I think we formed it around here, if I saw the screenshot correct. We formed an SMT here, and then basically you could have gotten a trade right off of this right here. But again, I wasn't on the markets, I couldn't really trade. But if we look at this kind of looks like a higher time frame market maker model ish. Like we had like a liquidity sweep, we had a SMT that formed, and this is a proper SMT. If we kind of look at it, I believe that we might continue going short, possibly till this this swing low right here. Because like, look, it's way too smooth, and with markets, whenever we have like a smooth like corner, we have like a smooth like swing, we want to make it rigid. Okay, so most likely what's gonna happen is we're gonna come down, maybe take out like whatever, do like some bullshit. In the next coming days, we might take out this low or even this low, and then kind of start going upwards to started going upwards to take out the swing highs. So yeah, and again, you know, I'm like, so like again, I don't want to be like a scam or anything. So I am what's called paper trading for this month. Yeah, I've been paper trading this month. I think I said that on my previous video, and I said that on my Discord server. I'm paper trading because I'm trying to get ready for my next funded eval because my mental has been cooked lately, and yeah, you know, I'm regaining confidence as I trade. But yeah, either way, this was a very beautiful setup. One thing I want to show you guys though is, let's wait for this Discord to pop out. So I have a free Discord community. It's basically we kind of help each other trade. Literally, yeah, this is what I was talking about. What Simon pointed out. I kind of cried because like this guy said that he's having a boner right now. But you know what I'm saying? We help each other trade sometimes, and like that's kind of rare nowadays. But like we kind of get silly. You know, it's a very fun community though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's very fun. I would join it if you guys are like new traders or like you guys are trying to like get better at trading. I would join the server because it's free, and I have a bunch of sauce. For example, first of all, testimonials. You already know I'm a small creator, but like, you know, I got a lot of people, you know, thanking me. Or okay, not maybe not a lot, but like, you know, it's a lot for how small I am. But we also have like, for example, let's say you're new at trading. I kind of have like a detailed, first of all, like a guide on how to start trading, some mini guide, but then here's like an advanced guide where I actually like cited kind of playlists and things that you should kind of watch in order. And also I have sauce right over here. You know, it's not only trading related, you know, I got some spiritual shit. I shouldn't be saying bad words in that case, but you know, a free Spotify premium. But then there's also kind of like some trading sauce, like journal templates, whatever. I got some courses that are free. I got like some videos. So these are like some pirated videos. Here's a complete like ICT commentary, so it tells you what everything you're looking for, like what video you can search for. You know, I got a bunch of stuff here. So if you guys are interested, I would join it. It's a very fun community. We like all help each other out, and yeah. With all that aside, you know what I'm saying? Stay profitable and subscribe. You should subscribe.